What's good? It's your girl sheedabalo, aka Finest Nigerian. I am back at it again with another video. This is a simple glam makeup tutorial with Foxy EyeLiner, and as you can see, I got my Foxy EyeLiner. Actually, this is my go-to eyeliner, and I did not know it was called Foxy, but hey, we did Foxy liner. Sorry, y'all. Here, my mouth. So I did a Foxy liner and a brown makeup simple nude look, and I also talked about how to manifest success. So watch the video, get into it, and I'll see you. And use Smashbox Photo Finish Primer to prime my face. Then I'm going to use my #1 favorite, which is the Fenty Beauty 450. Just squeeze it like that. I was thinking about telling y'all a story, but I don't want to make the video too long. Y'all, I got this foundation brush at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, y'all, so I wanted to come up with something for me to talk about while I am getting ready. This is a soft glam makeup, by the way, and I'm going to be doing a Foxy EyeLiner. I always do a Foxy EyeLiner. I never knew that's what it's called. So I'm going to be doing a soft everyday glam with a Foxy liner, you know. So now that my foundation is now all set, I'm going to spray this Nicole Healer New York Primer Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray it into my face. I want to talk to you guys about manifesting success. For concealer, I am going to be mixing this Pro Concealer in Fawn and Beautiful Bronze. I'm going to be mixing both shades right under my eyelids. Alright, y'all, let's talk about manifesting success, or manifesting anything you want, period, in life. There was this video that kind of went on that Simone was talking about, and some people came out talking about she copied my stuff, whoop-de-whoop. I don't know about y'all, but I heard about manifesting in the book. There's this book called The Secret, and they actually made a documentary about it on Amazon. You guys should check it out. When I watched it, I felt like it changed my life, you feel me? You know, it just gave me a better perspective, and I watched this like years ago. So when I saw the video of Simone, I actually did not finish watching it because I was like, common sense, you feel me? Everything in life, you see, when it comes to manifesting anything you want in life, you have to embody it. Whatever you want to be, you can actually become by already believing that it is happening for you. So you cannot be a negative person if you want to be successful in life. You have to always go out there and get it. That is how you manifest success, and in just plain terms. Y'all see something about manifestation? You have to work for manifestation. You can't just sit on your butt and think you're gonna manifest things and it's gonna come knocking on your door. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you manifest love, yeah, you can sit on your butt and love might come to find you for as long. And I mean for as long as you are out here loving yourself, love will come find you wherever you're at. Period. And I mean that, sis. Even when you sit in your house, somebody gonna find you. They'll find you through the internet. They'll find you that one day that you step out the house. I swear to God. That's one thing about manifestation, as long as it is something that you want. Now, #2. You want to manifest success. How do you manifest it? How do you make this happen for yourself? I mean, you can't just think you want to make $1 million and then you just go make $1 million. You just go keep saying, I want $1 million, I want $1 million, I want $1 million. and you're gonna get $1 million. No. Now I am using LA Pro Concealer in dark cocoa for my contouring. There's something called visual learning, you feel me? Saying something every day puts a constant reminder in your head. So if you want $1 million, you need to write it down. And you need to every day wake up and make plans on how you're gonna achieve that. And that is how, my sister and brothers, that is how the manifestation works. You have to be able to make achievable plans in order for you to achieve that 1 million, right? For as long as you focus. Okay, for me now, I have a hairline business. You know, 2021, my goal is to clock 100,000, right? So now, what do I gotta do every day in order for me to achieve that? I need to make sure, for me, I feel like, according to the list that I made, and mind you, you need to make a list, visual learning, you need to write it down, make achievable plans, and actually try to execute those plans, try to check off those lists. Don't just sit there and think it's gonna happen for you, sis, and you're not trying to do nothing. I am going to be using my BALOBEAUTYBRAND Pro Palette, Contour and Highlight Pro Palette, and I'm going to be taking this light brown shade right here to set my highlight. So as I was saying, for someone like me in the hair industry, you know, I'm manifesting my first 100K. And what way do I achieve that? How do I think I can attain that goal, right? Because manifestation is all about setting a goal and working towards it, sis. You have to make your list, write it down, make sure you're following that step. And before you know it, what you manifested is yours. That is the key to manifestation. You need to work hard and believe in yourself. Never doubt yourself, because the one moment you doubt yourself is the one moment that thing that is like so close to you is going to go away because of bad energy. So the worst thing you can also do to yourself while you're manifesting anything in life is to never doubt yourself. Believe in yourself. When you make your list, being a hair guru, I want, like I said, I keep saying it, I keep jumping. I want to make my first 100K. How do I make my first 100K, right? I want to get more clients. How do I get more clients? I need to make ads. I need to make content for my social media. I need to make sure that I'm consistently posting. I'm using my hashtag. And I just need to believe and just keep the pattern that I know and keep doing that, right? You know, and one day eventually I'm gonna meet that plan. You know, I'm gonna achieve my goal. I believe that. I truly believe that. And that is one thing about success. Manifesting love, manifesting whatever you want, manifesting a pair of shoes. You gotta go work hard for the shoes. You feel me? The shoes is not gonna fly coming to you. Like, you wanna achieve it, now you gotta just go work hard. Before you know it, you make the money for it. You feel me? Yeah, that is how you make manifestation. Whew. Now I'm gonna finish my makeup. I'm using Black Radiance Contour and Highlight Palette. It's actually just a contour palette. I'm just using some very dark shade. Using Morphe palette. It's like an old palette, so don't judge me, okay? Like, I'm not about to go buy a new palette when I still got a whole palette, okay? So I've been using my Morphe 350 mattes. I don't even think they have it on the website. I'm just gonna do some soft black. Now I'll be using Wet n Wild eyeliner to do that Foxy liner over this eyeshadow. I'm gonna start from the outer corner. I go this way. You see, y'all see my angle? It's just like that, so I can match that line, the shape of my eye. and just stretch it down. Boom. Then for the bottom part, you want to go from the inside out. Remember, upper is like this. You turn the brush, you turn your liner, and then now you're gonna turn the liner for the bottom to match it. That is how I have to do it so that I can get the line as perfect as I can. If you want it longer, I just switch my brush like this and keep adding it onto that line. And this is for folded eyelids, as you can see. So I have to do this. Sometimes I have to keep my eyelid up and fold it and go over it for folded eyelids. You see that? You want to go over your folded eyelid, and that look better even when your eyes is up. Now we're gonna do the inner corner of the eye. So right here I'm very sensitive, like I have to go very slowly. It's hard to see, but it's just literally going over the shape of your eye. This, I'm going to go over the inner corner of my eye gently, because this is a very wet eyeliner. You see it? Now let's complete the line. See that? That's how you do that. Okay? Alright, let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, I had to fix the camera and the lighting so y'all can see me better. But can you see it better? You see the wing? I'm winged out. I'm going to be using NYX black lip liner for my lips because I'll just like a really dark lip line. I'm going to be using Milani in Adorable. I'm gonna add Milani Corvette right under that, just to give it like a little bit more of a brown. Almost forgot to blush my face, so let's do some blushing, y'all. With LA Colors, I got it from Dollar Tree, so it is $1. I am going to use the eyeliner inside this Black Radiance because it's such a soft color on brown skin girls. On the nose. I just used Melanie's setting spray to set my face. I thought I was recording and of course I wasn't. Set it again. Do you guys think I should put lip gloss on? I think I'm going to put lip gloss on. This is what the Foxy EyeLiner look on folded eyelid. Brown skin girls. Well, it's a wrap for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video.